Guys, Nasdaq's trying to break the ATR with buyers on the tape.
Order
We're gonna
filled.
place a limit order here. We're gonna go long. We see lots of volume in this area. Gonna see if we can get a little bit more. The ES needs more volume to the upside. We see imbalance pattern to the upside. You can see they're trying to break the ATR. There they go. Buyers in the ES. Buyers in the micro ES. Still hitting the ATR. Goes the Nasdaq. There it goes. Goes the Nasdaq with tape momentum. See the blue lines in the tape. Buyers breaking the ATR. You see how the AS got crazy over here. Lots of sellers in this area, but I see in the tape the buyers are overwhelming the sellers. Okay, Nasdaq's pushing. YM is trying to go higher too. See imbalance pattern in the YM.
Target filled.
Okay, we got two off. We see high frequency trader triangle here. So they're hitting the buy side. Still holding to this trade. This is the toughest part of trading, holding to the gains. You never know when this market can reverse. I really like the fact that Nasdaq broke the ATR with heavy volume. You can see the imbalance pattern. This is the effort that the traders put to break an ATR, and you can see the correlation up, and you can see the volume breaking exactly at this area. So you can see over here, you can see in the on the Nasdaq, there was no correlation to the upside, and market just didn't want to go above, so they stalled there and they just continued down. Right here we can see the correlation up, high frequency trading triangle, correlation up, 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 and you see the tape momentum here. Market is in harmony, just no wicks on these bars. So I think it can go at least to the second ATR. Okay guys, I'm gonna bail this trade out.
Target filled.
Okay, so too much time and the market is just hanging in there. Okay, so Nasdaq just stalled in there with an imbalance pattern here. You know what happens when we have a Nasdaq divergence? The ES will just go down straight. Okay, so no, I don't want no surprises. So we're gonna wait the lunch and the trade the close. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Okay, guys, so we tried to short too early,
Order submitted.
but market I just got spooked out, so I bailed out of that trade. So we are seeing right now the Nasdaq tries to break the ATR. See buyers not hitting the low of the bar over here, so we are in a extreme overbought condition on the ES. So we're placing a short limit order here, waiting for the Nasdaq to break the ATR. If it breaks, it's gonna pull the ES and gonna have a good trade short. So we're gonna wait a while and see if it happens. Market is very slow right now. Let's see if it happens. I'm gonna cancel this trade, guys.
Order canceled.
Okay, guys. Market is about to go lower. We see the Nasdaq hit the ATR here, but buyers didn't put the enough effort to continue with the market. YM is still low. At least we can get a couple of ticks over here if the Nasdaq decides to reverse. YM moving a little bit. See little sellers in the tape. We are in an overbought condition zone. The 5 ATR. Okay, I went long here, remember, and the market, I got spooked out. I had the target to the double ATR, but just didn't like that type of environment. I don't like to be all that many hours in a trade.
Order filled.
Okay, guys, got filled. There he goes. Quick trade. I don't know how long it guys can go. You see what I mean when I tell you when the Nasdaq breaks ATRs. It's like there's some limit order just waiting there, and the ES just follows. On Nasdaq, keep on moving. We're gonna bail out of this trade. I don't like it. Seeing imbalance in the micro ES. Withhold a little bit. Else we build out. We need a batch of sellers coming in. Market just stalled. They just stopped. Nasdaq is just doing nothing here. Almost there, guys. Almost there.
Target filled.
Free trade, guys. This is a free trade now.
Target filled.
Okay. Second target filled. Nasdaq starting to move. At the last target. See double imbalance here. See correlation in the micro ES and correlation in the Nasdaq in the ES. Okay, almost there, guys. Almost there.
Target filled.
Okay, there you go, guys. Two trades, two winners, and this one was a small loser. But at least we managed to make that 2K for today. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. And if you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can always contact me. And why I take this trade over here? Because it's at the 5 ATR. So this is a way oversold, overbought condition. Okay, so as you can see over here, it's way oversold condition. Broke the 2.5 and broke the 5, but they always do this. Okay, they always do this. You see the high frequency triangles over here, buying the lows here. Then you see the imbalance to the upside. Sellers couldn't continue selling the market, and you know what happens. Nasdaq broke the ATR over here, as you can see here. So we trade the break of the ATRs from the Nasdaq. So that's how it goes. Then you can go, because the Nasdaq can go 40 ticks, in less than a minute, and the ES will move again. So there's buyers in this area. So you cannot see them, but there's buyers in this area and there's sellers in this area. So this makes sense. Okay, so that's why I use the ATRs, because the ATRs provide very good support and resistance. And that's it, guys. So if you're interested, just let me know. The imbalance pattern indicator here is sold separately from the Bidaskmultimarket correlation. Okay, for example, you see here, you see the market hitting this ATR. This is a 2.5 ATR. Okay, this is where I should have the target, but I don't like just didn't like the way it behaved when they opened the trade, so it can reverse in a dime. So we never know. Let's see the market what does over here. You cannot do nothing right now. Either Nasdaq hits the 5 ATR here, you see the Nasdaq hit this 5 ATR, then what's gonna do? The market will continue higher. Okay, the ES will follow, but you need to wait a little bit over here. So you never know what the Nasdaq can do. Maybe it's gonna break and continue lower, or it's gonna break a little bit, make a false breakout, and go 2-3 bars and reverse. Okay, so you're gonna see the buyers pouring in and fueling the upside, and the same is gonna happen for the ES. So as you can see, they are in a very well established area. You can see here the ES is in a good area, and the Nasdaq is in a good area. So it's a high probability trade to the upside, not to the downside right now. So this is what is playing out right now. Okay, so you need to be aware of that. But everything is correlated with the tape. Okay, you do not take action if the tape doesn't confirm that the buyers or the sellers are in control. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching, guys.